And up next is A.K. Watley, who got 13th position in his rookie debut last year, with Tom Liu riding shotgun out of Winchester, Virginia with KOH Motorsports, and Warren Racing in that Triton Engineering 2-seat IFS Bronco with a Jeff Gitter race engine, Ford Performance D3, 800 horsepower, Turbo 400, Atlas RCV with 74 wheel portals, KOH Fab, Warren Racing, Factor 55, Nitto, Funhammer, RTR, Optima, Ibach, and Sparko.
Yeah, this is a very, very good package here. This is one of the cars that came from the Funhammer crew. This was Lauren Healy's old car.
Yeah, this is Lauren
yeah.
Healy's old car.
Is this the old Paul Herschel car?
No, this is a Triton Engineering straight from Healy. So this was Healy's first fancy car from Triton Engineering, I believe.
There's been so many now. I'm starting running out.
He goes through them. But I do like that they have two identical cars now, just for simplicity, for parts, all that. And
we'll talk about that.
Works.
Yeah, we're going to talk about that later when we get them on course, that's for sure. But A.K. Watley now making his way around, and relatively inexperienced in the off-road world, but he's doing great things already.
Inexperienced to Ultra 4 and King of the Hammers. He's done off-road for quite a while. He's involved with the KOH Motorsports Park.
Coming down through this last little cross-grain section, dropping into the bottom of Short Bus. He's got to make the tall climb up here.
So A.K. Watley and Tom Liu heading up.
Certainly not on the struggle bus this time. Making good time as he makes his way up towards the right-hand turn, heading towards Gates Gate. This is going to be, he's sort of on for around about sort of top 20 pace right now. You can see how that line's changed completely.
As he goes through the Gates Gate right around that 2-minute mark. So this is a top 10, maybe top 20, but a very solid run by A.K. Watley and Tom Liu.
Yeah, top 20, I'm guessing.
Yeah, it'll depend how fast they can move across this cross-grain section up here. We've seen our top 10 cars, top 5 cars absolutely fly through this section of the course.
So A.K. Watley here currently running around about the 2 minutes 30. I'm guessing he's down around about 30 seconds on where he'd want to be if he wants to be troubling our top 10.
You can see that pinch rock is getting to be a little bit more dug out on the backside.
Yeah, I wonder if that's going to be a problem for our power hour guys later on today. But that's what we love about off-roading, is the course is constantly evolving, it's constantly changing. Certain parts will be getting easier, certain parts will be getting more difficult. As A.K. Watley makes his way into the short course. Still a solid time at the moment. I guess it's going to be somewhere around about that 3:25 mark, something.
A very, very solid run. Again, to enter your first King of the Hammers race in a 4400 class and be in 13th position. I mean, obviously he can drive, but that just goes to show you what kind of car that actually is. Very, very impressive from the KOH Motorsports crew.
Yeah, he's coming around the big Talladega turn, headed to the MBRP straight, and then over the MBRP tabletop.
And A.K. Watley goes into 24th position, 3:30.
I'm sure Mario will be in the pits, super, super excited for that.
That bobble there, because we were trying to take the left line and we never ran it. Yes! Yes! Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it.
How you feeling?
The announcers were very complimentary. Hold on just a second.
It looks good. It looked like a good run.
It felt Vance.
Good.
I didn't feel Vance. It felt good. It felt good. I think we definitely left a lot out there. I was looking for another 30 seconds on it, but
Wow.
I should have pre-run it some more. I'll do it better next time.
How was that jump?
It was fun. It was smooth. It was
looked
butter
awesome.
smooth.
Yeah, it looked super
good. Like
Made it look easy.
it didn't feel like we left the ground. It just right over it.